Hey friends, I am going to show you in just a few clicks how you can change your currency on Squarespace. So as you can see on my demo website, you can see everything is in the US dollar. Let's change that. The first thing I'll do is go to my main menu on the left-hand side and go all the way to the bottom to this little gear icon and click on settings. From there, I'll go to selling in the navigation on the left, and in the middle of the screen, I will go to payments. By this point, you should have some payments set up already, and then buried at the very bottom is currency. And so you could click here and adjust the currency. The UI here is terrible, the user experience, but you could come in here and make an adjustment. I actually don't know why it's like this. This is actually kind of crazy. I would love to show you all the options. Okay, so I actually found a list of all the available currencies on a support doc, and you could see them all listed here. I'm going to change my site to the Swiss franc, so you can take a look at that. All right, those are all of them. Let's go back here, and then I will change this to Singapore dollar, nope, Swiss franc. There we go, and I'll hit save. I'll close out of that. Let me refresh my page, and you'll see now it is set to the Swiss franc. And you could even see it working here on the checkout page. Perfect. Okay, cool. That is video 2. Now, if you found that helpful, I have 2 more resources down below that are going to help you that are completely free. The first one is if you sign up for an annual plan with the link down below and you use the promo code, you will get an extra 20 or maybe 25% off the annual plan. On top of that, if you are just getting started with Squarespace, I have something called the Scale Creative Wireframes template, which is the best place to start. It is where I start all the sites that I've built, over 300 websites on Squarespace, and you could get it for free today if you are a non-designer. If you're a designer and you want to use it for client projects, it's paid. But if you are a non-designer, it is completely free to use for your website. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.